Hello, good afternoon. Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome today, last working day of the week in today's newspaper on Friday, June 23rd, 2023. We have two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the Sudoku Light and the heavy Sudoku. And in this newspaper, we have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, with 0 stars. I believe this is a 1-star Sudoku, 4-star Sudoku, tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve in the evening. Alright, what's the news of today? Well, I've heard on the news that the Wagner Group, military private army of the Russians, they run away to Belarus, yeah. Instead of the leader of the Wagner Group is Prigozhin, Prigozhin. And if he's not a coward, then he will go to Moscow and face Putin. But I believe he's a coward. He run away to Belarus. Well, the Russian army has bombed the Wagner Group, and a lot of soldiers died of the Wagner Group. So that's the news. All right, Sudoku Light, number 6638. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 34 printed digits. Should be an easy one if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars. Sudokus in additional. It should be an easier puzzle than the 1 star puzzle in the additional for the 1 star with 27 printed digits. You need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, maybe this one 30 minutes or 40 minutes. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the number 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in the third row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. A lot of 4, so alright, a lot of 4s. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row, so the first row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in the first column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this third column, 7 in the first column, so the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in the last row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7. How about the 4 now? Yeah, 4 in this column, 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this last column, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 4. How about the 5 in this row? 5 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 5. Alright, now, 9 in this column. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in the first row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. Third row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the second column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 9. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in this column, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 5, number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. How about 1 box left in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing. Then 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here 2 in the last column, so no 2 in that box. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2, 2, 2. Well, we have here 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. Well, we have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in this box. Here 2 in the last row, so no 2 in that box. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 2. Alright, 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 1 box left in the first column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square from us. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8. 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the third row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 8 goes there. One box left in the first row for the bar. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Two missing numbers in this big square from us. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between, middle column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Two missing numbers in this big square from us. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square from us. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finished in 11 minutes. Well. Told you need to be faster than 50 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. It's a Sudoku Light, so should be easier than a 1-star puzzle. We solve it again, and I like this one. Yes. If you like this too, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, the heavy Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.